Welcome to the latest Gmail extension of the week guide. In this guide, I'll explain how you can use a Gmail extension to type emails with your voice. Let's get straight into it. Google Chrome extensions are small apps that can be installed into your Chrome web browser in order to change or enhance the browser's functionality. If you don't know how to find and install Chrome extensions for Gmail, check out the Woggle Guides shown above that explains how to do this. I'm logged into Google and I'm in my Gmail inbox. Today we'll look at the Dictation for Gmail extension. The link for this app is shown in the description below. Once installed, you'll see a new small icon has appeared at the top of the web browser to indicate that Dictation for Gmail is working. If I quickly open a new Compose email window, I'll demonstrate how easy it is to write an email with your voice using this extension. If I move down to the bottom of the email window, you'll see that next to the send button, a new microphone icon has been added. If I click on that, a pop-up box appears that asks me to allow Gmail to use the microphone on my computer. You'll only be asked to approve this once, when you use Dictation for Gmail for the first time. I'll click on the Allow button to approve that. You'll now see that the microphone icon has turned red to indicate it is active and ready to capture anything you say. I'll quickly dictate this email. Hi John, new paragraph. Really great to meet with you last week for lunch. New paragraph. Looking forward to seeing you again soon. New paragraph. Cheers. New paragraph. And I'll just type Woggle's name at the end, as that is one of those words which the dictation software may struggle with. When dictating an email, you do need to use specific phrases to carry out certain actions. The most common you're likely to use are comma, which adds a comma, period, which adds a full stop, and new paragraph, which moves the cursor to a new line. I hope you found this Woggle guide useful and learned something new. Don't forget to subscribe to our guides by clicking on the screen to get notifications of each new Gmail extension review each week.